everyone, welcome to another episode of Video with Eileen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana in yogic speak. Actually it's Sanskrit. So let's get straight into the pose. You're going to be lying yourself down onto the mat. Knees bent. Adjust your ponytail if you have one. Palms facing down on the mat. Bring your heels in a little bit closer to your bum till the tips of your fingers touch your heels. Walk it just a little bit away. Right. The shoulders spread out nice and even onto the mat for now. And with an inhalation, you're going to raise your hips up. And doing that by squeezing your bum up. And that is your bridge pose. So, it's a really good pose to strengthen your thighs and your bum. Right? I would say if you have got shoulder, back or neck injury, then be a little bit careful. Other benefits of this pose, other than strengthening your bum and your thighs, is that it also really stretches out your chest and your spine. And exhale, let's bring your bum back down. So that was one variation. You can do that if you're comfortable with that. Or I'm just going to show you another variation here. So inhale again, raising your hips up, nice and high. And this time, rotate your shoulders inwards a little bit and under you. So in and under, and clasping your hands together. So pressing through your feet and using your feet really to press through and help you lift up a little bit higher, lift your bum up a little bit higher. So now, if you're clasping your hands under you, you're sort of like resting on the meaty part of your shoulders. And usually here, tendency is to actually squeeze and bring your chin towards your chest. But try not to do that if you can, rather lengthening out through your neck, bringing your gaze to the ceiling. Just be mindful that your knees don't travel out too much. And exhale, bring it back down. So that was one variation. Another variation which you can do is always the single leg bridge. So if I'm just going to balance on my left leg, straightening up the right, and you can lift. And you can even do things like pulses. Keep that toe pointed, pulse up once more, and this time, on a single leg you can really feel that tension in your working group. So onto the other side, and just raising and lower to keep that tension throughout. Notice that I don't lower all the way down to the mat, just hovering a little bit as I press through. So it's not just a yoga move, this one. Really a great fitness move too, and you might have seen people doing it in the gym or in group fitness classes. So, hope that helps, and you can tag that on to your workout routine. Do it in your yoga practice. 2 for 1. Always very handy. So, hope that helps. Hope you like that video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more weekly fitness and yoga videos. Till next time, Eileen signing off for now. Happy practicing, champs. Bye!